Good morning, kumusta po ang lahat? Kumusta po mga kaguro, kapwa ko guro? So good news, mayroon tayong balita ngayon, no? Kailangan nating aralan muna natin kung itong magandang balita na hatid sa atin ng ABS-CBN News last September 27. Just live ABS-CBN. So ito yung nasagap natin. So, the Department of Education doubles vacation service credits of teachers to 30 days. The agency explains service credits allow teachers to offset absences due to illness or personal reasons, or to recover salary deductions during vacation period. The revised order now entitles incumbent teachers with at least 1 year of service as well as newly hired teachers appointed within 4 months after the start of classes to 30 days of VSS annually according to DepEd. Additionally, newly hired teachers whose appointment are issued 4 months after the start of classes will be received 45 days of vacation service credits VSS per year via Ara Perez, ABS-CBN News. Wow, ang ganda, no? So isa-isahin natin to para maintindihan natin ng maayos at saka klarong-klaro. So ano sa palagay ninyo mga kaguro, no? Ano sa palagay ninyo? So ito ay nagbibigay sa atin ng medyo fever. Kakaroon tayo ng medyo kalmado para sa sarili natin dahil hindi na tayo natatakot na magkaroon ng undid, lalo na sa mga loans natin, kasi binigyan tayo ng DepEd o Department of Education Secretary na magkaroon tayo ng vacation service credits of teachers to 30 days. So napaka na to, isang laking bagay to na hindi pa hirap sa atin bilang mga teacher. So mas lalo pa talaga nating alamin kung ano yung mga nakapaloob dito o kaya yung mga privilege dito, no? Kasi alam na natin na mayroon tayong vacation service credits. So doubled kasi dati 15 days, so ngayon 30 days na. So halika, sabayan mo ako at pag-aralan natin to ng maayos mga kapwa ko teachers. So hanggang sa abot lang ng ating makakaya, kasi medyo mahabang talakayan naman ito bago inaprubahan ng ating Senado. Pero thank you pa rin dahil nagkaroon na tayo ng 30 days service credits. Okay, just in. Thank you po, Division Office of Masbate, Department of Education, Human Resources Management, in accordance with participation of Department of Education, DepEd. Okay, so ito ang isa sa mga karagdagang informasyon about VSCs. Vacation service credits are non-monetary benefits given to public school teachers in the Philippines by the Department of Education, DepEd, for work performed beyond the regular hours or duties. These credits are essentially leave credits the teachers can use to cover absences due to illness. So cover pala yan para sa mga teachers na mayroong mga sakit, no? Yung mga teachers natin na karamihan naman talaga mayroon ng sakit, lalo na pag nagkakaedad ka na dito sa serbisyo. So, or to offset deduction in vacation pay for absences due to personal reason. So sa aking palagay dito ay i-offset siya sa mga deduction, baga itapal, no? So ilalagay lang doon na kung halimbawa na ginamit mo to, ilagay mo yung charge to service credit para hindi ka ma-undid kung mayroon kang mga deduction, especially loans. Yan lang po yung nasa pagkakaintindi ko. But ituloy natin kung ano ba talaga yung ano nito. Kung mayroon kayong comment o additional knowledge, please comment lang po. So here's a breakdown of key aspects of vacation service credit. So tingnan natin ang purpose ng ano natin, service credit. Ang dito naunang una yung compensation of extra work. So BS is recognized and compensates teachers for additional working they perform beyond the regular teaching hours, especially during period like summers or Christmas break. So yan pala yung purpose, no? May mga teachers kasi na nagtatrabaho pa rin kahit summer. Kagaya sa amin nung summer nagtrabaho kami bilang volunteer sa, kalimutan ko na yung volunteer kami doon sa camping na yun last year. Binigyan kami ng 15 days o service credit. Christmas break, offsetting absences, teachers can use BACs to cover absences due to illness or other valid reasons, ensuring they don't lose pay. So pwede rin siyang gamitin dun sa mga teachers na may sakit para hindi siya, kumbaga, kung buo pa rin yung sahod na matatanggap niya, they don't lose pay, buo pa rin yung sahod na kanyang matatanggap bilang isang teacher. Eligibility, public school teachers, BACs is primarily for teachers employed by DepEd in public schools. Full-time teachers do not have to report for classes during Christmas or summer vacations and still receive their regular compensation, are eligible, no? Kahit pag Pasko or summer, kahit hindi ka pumupunta sa sa school, ay makakatanggap ka pa rin ng buong compensation bilang isang teacher. So napatunayan na natin yan dahil sa medyo experience na rin tayo ng konti sa ating trabaho bilang isang educators of the Philippines, o kaya bilang isang educator, or kaya bilang isang teacher by profession. So pag-aralan pa rin natin, guys, ito yung granting of credits, no, para mas lalo pa rin nating maintindihan, no? Specific activities, vacation service credit or BSAs is granted for specific activities that are deemed beyond regular duties, such as election duties. Okay, so yan, ginagawa naman yan ng ating mga teachers na nagse-serve during election. Calamity and rehabilitation work, no? Calamity and rehabilitation work. So, may mga calamities, sakuna ganun, may mga rehabilitation work ng mga ginagawa nila, nag-volunteer siguro. So remedial classes. So mayroong mga remedial class na nangyayari kasi may mga estudyante o learners tayo na hindi makapasa o kaya very slow learners, kaya ang nagkakaroon tayo ng remedial class. Training session. So training session, especially those who have may mga extracurricular activities, may mga contestant para na dinadala sa mga like palarong pambansa, no, mga district or provincial meet, no, regional meet. So may mga ganyan, may mga training na kaya binibigyan din sila ng mga service credit yung mga coaches. School sports competitions, yun na yun, sa mga school sports competitions, yung mga nilalaban ng school to school, no, like sa district, no, congressional, region, or na even national, no. So teaching overload, so dapat pala doon kapag nag-overload ka, binibigyan ka rin ng service credit, no. Acknowledge ka ng teacher. Mayroong mga teachers dyan na nag-offer na pag overload ka, bibigyan ka ng 1 day service credit, 2 days, depende sa hour na nagamit mo bilang nag-overload ka sa iyong pagtuturo, or mayroon kang subject na marami, kaya overload na yon kasi over ka na sa oras na yung pagtuturo. So non-formal education classes, non-formal education classes like ALS siguro, so doon yan sa ALS, no? Binibigyan din sila ng mga service credits. Special DepEd project, no? Special DepEd project, so yan siguro yan kapag may mga project ang mga school natin o kaya yung DepEd para sa school natin, kaya nagkakaroon din ng mga service credit yung mga teachers nga nag-assist dyan o tumulong o kaya nag-participate dyan sa project na yan. So time calculation, 1 work day o vacation service credit is granted for 1 day, 8 hours of service. Okay, totoo yan. Kapag nakapag-render ka ng 8 hours, so that is equivalent to 1 service credit. So mga ganyan, yan yung mga ano dyan, agendas dyan. That is time calculation. Maximum limit. The number of days of vacation service credits granted to a teacher generally cannot exceed 15 working days in 1 year, except in cases authorized by the Secretary of Education. So nasa ano pa rin, Secretary of Education, nasa kanya pa rin yung yung tawag natin approval kapag lumagpas ka doon sa itinakda ng ating batas. So thank you for watching mga kaguro. Salamat at maraming salamat talaga, at sana'y nakakuha tayo ng idea dito sa ating VSCs o Vacation Service Credits granted. So thank you for watching. Please share. God bless you po.